Assalamu alaikum viewers, how are you? My name is Bilal Kfar and welcome to Easy Coding with BG. In the previous lecture we have discussed about HTML marquee tags but today in this lecture we will discuss that about HTML meta tags. So what are meta tags and why they are used? So first I will just move to my web browser and I will write here Google. I will just open a Google search engine. So basically if I just want to search anything from this search engine, so I will just write here. If I write here, let's see, if I write here ClickBuzz, so you can see that as I search this name ClickBuzz, so here is the first website which is showing us in the top. So basically these are the meta tags, uh, and the meta tags just only works behind the keywords. The keywords which are just, these are only the keywords. Meta tags are just only the keywords which we provide in our which we provide to our website, and any client who just search from that keyword, then our website appears in the Google. So we will just we will just move over to our visual code editor, and here I have already create a file of meta tag .html here, and I've already inserted some tags in this file. So basically the meta tag is always inserted in the header tag, and I will write here meta, and there is no closing tag for meta, and we just close this meta tag by simply write slash here and close this tag like this. So we will insert some attributes in this meta tag. So let's start. So first of all, the attribute we always use in a meta tag is name. Name is equal to keyword. Keyword. This is the meta tag first attribute, the keyword. Basically over anything we just search in anything we just search in a Google search engine or any other search engine. So the this that search engine just find the keywords behind the uh, uh, website or any other search engine or any other content which are and that search engine tries to show us the best results about our meta tags, about our searching content. So basically these are the keywords. So we will move to the next attribute, and that is content. So I will write here content. Content I will give it I will give it content I will write here Bilal Ghaffar. Yes. content is equal to my name is Bilal Ghaffar, and comma, and I will simply, let's say, I write here HTML tutorials in English. HTML tutorials in English. In English. So the any user who just search about in Google search engine, or any other search engine, so that search engine finds the keywords uh, behind the searching content, and shows the user the best results of that searching content. So basically the that's why the meta tags are used. So we will insert another meta tag here. I will write here meta name is equal to, and the next attribute I will insert there, which is description. So basically, what is description? Basically, when you open any of the website, let's say this is a website here I have just opened. So this is the website, and here in the bottom side you can see the description of about this website. So basically this is the explanation or description of this website. So I will add the description, like I will just simply copy this description and paste in our description. Copy C, and I will insert another tag with the name content in this content attribute I will add the description. Content is equal to, we'll add the description in this content attribute, and I will just simply close this meta tag. So I will just insert another meta tag attribute, meta, and in this meta tag I will write here meta name is equal to author, and content is equal to, I will write here content, let's say believer boy. I'll just simply close this tag. So basically this attribute which is author, and this is the author name about who basically uh, uh, edit this content, or make a website or provide content on this website. So there is always a author name behind, or in the top or the bottom side of any web page, who just create or provide content in any of the website. So I will just move to another meta tag. I will write a meta name is equal to meta http equi, and in this I will write here content type. Now I will just write here refresh. I will write here refresh, and content I will insert another attribute with the name content, and content I will give it 20, and just simply close this tag. So basically this meta tag, which is http is equal to refresh and content, so this is actually the address of any of the website, and the content which is 20. So here is the number of pages in any of the website uh, given below. We just insert or declare in a header option. So basically this is the information about any of the website. So I will just insert another attribute like meta. I will insert another attribute with the same name http equal to content type. I will write here content type, and I will insert another attribute which is content is equal to text slash html. And I will insert another attribute which is char set is equal to utf f dash 8, and I will just simply close this tag. So basically this tag is just simply used for the content of any of the website, and the text of any of website. So basically in any of HTML websites, you already when you use any of the language like Bootstrap, so you just insert you when you just start working in Bootstrap language, so you have to implement some of the tags in the header section. So this is one of the tag which has to be implemented in the header section in the Bootstrap. So this is the major tag for displaying our meta tags, and this is the necessary tag for displaying our meta tags in the web page. So we will move to our last attribute, which is meta name is equal to viewport. And I will insert another attribute, which is content is equal to width. Content is equal to width width and width is equal to device dash width, comma initial scale, comma initial scale comma initial scale is equal to 1.0. I will just simply close this tag. So this tag is also necessary for displaying our meta tag in our web page, and it is also used in Bootstrap language in the header tag, and it is necessary to build some and it is necessary to build websites in Bootstrap, and it is a major part of any of the header tag in HTML or uh, Bootstrap. So this is the meta tag, the lecture for today. So if you have any queries, so you can ask me in the comment section. So that's enough for today's lecture. Subscribe our YouTube channel Encoding with BG and press the bell icon so you will never miss the updates. Thank you. Jazakallah. Allah Hafiz.